Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your brand new Workforce ES-60W wireless portable document scanner to your computer. If this is a brand new scanner, you can unbox your scanner, you can power on your scanner, follow the instruction in the installation guide that you have got with the brand new scanner. So this is how the installation guide will look like. This scanner can connect with your computer using wireless or with the USB cable. So you have both the option. You can follow the instruction and do the initial setup of your scanner. So once this is done, you can now go to the Epson.com website to download the software that we need in the computer so you can start using the scanner in the computer from the computer. So we need to click on the support tab and then click on the scanner icon. Now you will see a search box. That's where you have to type the name of the scanner. So in our case, we'll type ES60W, right? So this is the scanner, Epson Workforce 60 ES60W. This is our scanner. And now you need to click on the download tab. As you can see, the download tab is already selected. So now we need to choose the operating system. In my case, I have Windows 10. You can also select your Windows or Mac operating system by scrolling up and down. You can see all the different operating system is given there. So in my case, I have Windows 10, so I'm going to pick that one and click go. And now I'll see the driver down below here. It's coming up. Just give it few seconds. This is the driver and utilities combos package, so it's include everything like the all the installation, user guide, and the driver that we need in the computer. So we need to click on download here and it will start downloading. Okay, it's already downloaded at the top right corner in the browser. You need to double click the downloaded file in the browser to start the setup of your scanner in the computer. So it will give you step by step instruction how to do the setup. So once this is done, you can do the test scan and just verify if this is working properly. If you have any problem, you can type it in the comment box below. I'll also provide you the link of the driver and the installation and user guide in the video description. So thank you so much for watching. You have a nice day.